welcome back to Marvellouss Beauty World. I hope you guys, you are nice, you are happy like I am. Today I've got a nice special lotion here, which is from Dove. It's Dove body lotion. This lotion honestly is amazing. It's the pro care lotion. This lotion, I'm gonna review it for you. This review is honestly a true review, so this video is not sponsored, but I'm just here to tell you what the cream does on the body. This cream is very nice because they say that they made it with hyaluronic acid, olive oil, and then vitamin B. So these three ingredients like together on this product is amazing. I use it for 4 weeks, so you can see it gives you what it claims that it does. It says that it gives you a nice radiant skin. Honestly, my skin is so nice and smooth. Even one of my clients, so she asked me last time like, wow, your skin is so nice and smooth, what do you normally use? So I'm just using like in 4 weeks past, I'm just using this Dove body lotion care, and then I'm using with this glycerin. So just these two, they are my best friends. You know, if you have like a flaky skin, if you have like a mature skin, and then also this lotion is for mature skin as well. So when it's like your mature skin started, your skin is mature when it's like 25. If you are 25 above, so your skin is already mature, so you have to consider to use a lotion which is really good, rich in ceramic and then vitamin B, hyaluronic acid. Why? Because those ingredients just produce the water in your skin, so that means it lock the moisture on your skin. Honestly, it's amazing. If you are looking, this is new year, so a lot of you guys out there, you are looking to try something like which it gives you moisture on your skin, it gives you radiance, it gives you glow. So try this one. Honestly, you are not gonna be disappointed. So I was just like, you know, this lotion is doing amazing for me. Why not share it with my friends, my followers, my family? So out there, some of them, they are looking for a nice cream which is gonna moisturize the skin. This one is the best. Honestly, this one is the best. I picked this one from Vaseline as well, so I'm gonna try this one. I tried it, is 100% it works. It's amazing. So I picked this one as well from the Vaseline, so the mature skin rejuvenation lotion. So I'm gonna try it as well, and then I'll come back to tell you how it works. But right now, what I'm in love is this one. So the Dove body lotion care, amazing, amazing, amazing. Try it, or if you ever tried, if you ever use it before, please guys, drop me your comment. Let me what you think about it. You know, we all want our skin to be nice, glowy, clean and fresh. We don't want a flaky skin, we don't want a dry skin, we want a moist skin. Honestly, the cream doesn't make you dark. I heard some people say, oh, the lotion make you dark. It doesn't darken your skin, it's just gonna maintain your complexion. So if you are fair, so your skin is just gonna remain the way it is. If you are darker, it's gonna just remain the way it is. It doesn't bleach, it doesn't do anything. All it does is just maintain the moisture on the skin and then give you a nice fresh looking skin. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time, we appreciate. So let us know what you think about the video. Until I see you on my next one, don't forget to like, share, and then hit the button down there, so whenever we upload, you'll be the first one to know. Thank you for your support. I and the guests, we love you so much. We see you until our next one. Bye.